Okay, so it's called Made in Ghana by Hamo Inventions. Someone can testify. Then it changed telescope robotics. Head of 69 technicals. Please do not put hot or ashes. Except warning, which tells you what it's like or the safety warning tells you what is prohibited to the dustbin. Please do not put hot or ashes in it. Now it has printed. I'm open. I'm ready. Waiting. We're waiting for an obstacle or someone who come and puts any rubbish in it. Please, I need more rubbish. Testify on when the dustbin is. Okay, so I just turn it off and I've turned it on back. I'm waiting for it to start. When it comes, I'm open, I'm ready. It means it's on and it's ready to work. I don't know if you can hear it, but it has printed dustbin full. Please empty me. The sound, I don't know if you can hear the beeping sound. So, whenever the dustbin is full, it will alert you for the user to know that the dustbin is full. And also, it has a sensor, like I said, a night sensor. It's going to measure or detect or use this rubber as darkness to cover the sensor. So, in case there is darkness, you just forget the dustbin will automatically light up your room or your room. You can increase the intensity of the intensity of the resistance of the light. So you can increase the darkness how you want it, the time you want it to light up. In case of total darkness or partial darkness, you can regulate it using this regulator here. So, with this one, I can use my hand to cover it and then the light will be on. I hope you guys. Like if I decrease this, the light is not on because it can sense light on this room. That's why the light is not on. So I'm going to use this dark to cover it. Thanks the management of the school and then to everyone supporting Hamo Inventions. I really appreciate it. Thanks to as a free trick to use whenever the bulb is bent or the bulb is